so windy. No. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name's Becky and I'm from Wales in the UK and I'm currently in Pushkar. One of my previous videos has blown up a little bit and has gained me a few new subscribers, so if that's you, then hello and thanks for showing interest in my channel and wanting to be updated, I guess. I figured that I would just make this update video just as there are a few updates that I thought are worth putting in video format. So from that first video that I uploaded with regards to the lockdown, we have lost 2 people and we have gained 4 new people into the property. So Dina, who was in the last video, she's gone back to the Netherlands. She actually left, I think she left last week now. Time's going so fast and at such a strange rate that it's quite hard to actually pinpoint when things happened, but she left last week and went back to the Netherlands. Ushi also left, but that was addressed in the other video, and 2 South Africans now live on the property as well, and Paige and Lisa, who are from the UK, are also here, so that takes the total to 15 of us. We still have everybody else here and we're all still living together in this property. I arrived into India on the 4th of March and was initially in Jaipur, and I was there for around 2 weeks, and then I came to Pushkar on the 14th of March and I've been here ever since. I think I spent a week here, so I got to go into the town, have a look at the lake, meet the locals, do some shopping, and then the lockdown was put into place. We're now on oh gosh, how many days was it? We added 4, so we're on day 44 of lockdown, and I've left the property 3 times just to go to an ATM, just to get cash so that I can pay to stay here. But apart from that, I have not left the hostel. I'm actually very fortunate and grateful for landing here and being in this hostel. We have a rooftop, which I'm currently sat on now, where we work out in the mornings and we can sit in the sun. We've got the downstairs garden area, and then obviously we've all got our respective rooms and places, so we have got a lot of space. So if we want to be on our own, then we can be on our own. If we want to be together, then we can be together. So it is pretty ideal. Should we want to cook meals, then we do have access to our own kitchen, but there is also chefs on site, so we can order food whenever we feel like it, which is amazing. We have not been going hungry, that is for sure. As you can tell from the stats, some good cooking has been going on. So yeah, we're all just kind of living together, getting on with things that we can. There's been a couple of times when tensions have been a little bit high. I mean, in reality, we're a bunch of strangers who have all been forced to live together in these unforeseen circumstances. So of course, tensions may raise, some people may not get on very well, but all in all, everybody gets on, and yeah, we're all just kind of getting on with living together for the time being. I think a couple of weeks ago now, all the British nationals, we all sent off our information to, well, I guess the government, to try and get us on a list for repatriation flights, but we didn't hear anything back from them. I've now sent off an email to the New Delhi office with regards to repatriation flights. Paige and Lisa are ready to go home now. They were only meant to be travelling until around now anyway, so it's kind of their time to go home. So we're looking to be put on repatriation flight lists to be offered the opportunity to go home. When that'll happen, we don't know. There have been a new round of flights that have been released, but if you're not on the list from last time, then apparently you can't get these ones, so we're still a bit in the dark with it. But I mean, as I've said, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. We're happy with where we are, and the circumstances could be a lot worse for us, so we are very grateful and very fortunate that we are all here together and we have access to what we have access to. 2 days ago, the Indian government extended the lockdown for another 2 weeks officially, so I mean, we're still here, we're still in lockdown, we're still not leaving the property, so nothing has really changed in that sense. I just thought that I would give an update on who's here, who's not here, issues regarding repatriation and leaving India, and just saying hi. And thanks for supporting my channel, your kind words, and I hope that you're all doing as well as possible, staying safe, using this time effectively, wisely, or just not doing anything at all. I think I'm going to leave that there, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.